Devouring the meaning of devour. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the word devour. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, how to use it in sentences, and some fun facts about its usage. Devour is a verb, and at its core, it means to eat something eagerly and quickly. Imagine you're really hungry, and you're presented with your favorite dish. You wouldn't just eat it, you would devour it. Example: the hungry child devoured his sandwich in just a few bites. While the primary meaning of devour relates to eating, the word can also be used metaphorically in various contexts. 1. Reading or consuming information. When someone reads a book or consumes information very quickly because they're deeply interested. Example: 2. She devoured the latest mystery novel in one sitting. 3. I devoured all the articles on the topic to prepare for the exam. 4. Destroying or consuming completely. This can relate to both physical destruction and conceptual consumption. Example: 5. The fire devoured the entire forest. 6. His jealousy devoured him from inside. Understanding synonyms can give you a broader idea of the word's meaning and how it might be used in different contexts. Some synonyms for devour are: gobble up, mostly related to eating quickly. Consume, can be both literal, for food, or metaphorical, like consuming information. Engulf, often used when talking about something getting completely surrounded or overtaken. Ingest, mainly used in a scientific context or when talking about taking in substances. Did you know? Devour comes from the Old French word dévorer, which means to swallow down. Devour is not just used in English. Many languages have similar words with the same roots, signifying its universal appeal. So, the next time you come across a delicious meal or an engaging book, you'll know just the word to describe your experience. Devour is a powerful word with diverse applications, from the dinner table to the world of literature. We hope this video has been enlightening, and you feel confident in using this term in your conversations. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of language.